Hello, hello. Customer ask, Meir Martin, the owner of the PetPeePee, answer by video. When you watching how I clean the Oriental rug the right way, I would like to answer on the question that customer asked me. Let's go to the first one. Can Oriental rug be dry cleaned? No. You cannot use dry cleaner on Oriental rug for the same reason you never wash your sweater. You never clean your sweater with a dry cleaner because the dry cleaner first is a toxic chemical. This is first. Second, dry cleaner will leave a residue in the wool, in the fiber, that will drive you crazy. For this reason, you never clean sweater wool with a dry cleaner. For the same reason, you never wash your Oriental rug using a dry cleaner because the solvent, the soap, the detergent that's in the dry cleaner, in the alcohol, will drive you crazy. It smells so bad and it's sticky. So for this reason, I said don't ever please use dry cleaner on Oriental rug. 1.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
And here is the second question. Can I take my Oriental rug to the dry cleaner? Sure. There is absolutely no law that said you cannot take your Oriental rug to the dry cleaner. However, educated consumer will ask the dry cleaner, how do you clean the rug? Do you guarantee the removal of the stain, the odor? This is the main issue. Ask question. And if they will say to you, yes, we guarantee, you said, I don't want to have any deodorize or enzyme, any sweet and beautiful odor to cover the rug. I pay you to remove the bad odor. I don't pay you to cover it with a dry cleaner smell or deodorizer. And then you will know the right answer from the dry cleaner if he can remove the odor, the bad odor, if he can clean the rug, if he's guaranteed the color will never run. Ask question, many question. It will save you aggravation and disappointment when you receive the rug. Let's go to the third question. The number one question that I receive daily: how much you charge to clean Oriental rug? Allow me to explain why my answer it's very complicated. Every rug is a different. I am not a carpet cleaner that charge by the square foot. Oriental rug have a different pattern, color, and sensitivity. Chinese rug, it's a different cleaning process than Persian rug. Kilim rug, it's a different cleaning process than Moroccan rug. Each one of them is a different cleaning process. So the price can go from $1 to $5 a rug or whatever. The price can be changed to every rug, depend what is the problem. If your dog pee on the rug and spread the pee all over, it's going to be a different price. If your cat pee on the rug, haha, it's going to be much higher than the dog pee pee. Yes, cat, it's a very difficult to remove the odor. And above all, if you're having an Oriental rug, antique Oriental rug, then it's a color by vegetable dye. It means the color could run. It's a different cleaning process. So to ensure that your rug is not going to have a color run, is not going to bleed, and I will remove all the urine completely without covering it up with a deodorizer like everybody else, the price will be different. For example, this pillow that you see right now, it is a goose feather, different cleaning process than a foam or a memory foam. Everything have his own price. PetPeePee. To know the price, it's very easy. Text us the picture of the rug and call us, and we will gladly provide you with the pricing and shipping information wherever you are on the globe. Thank you very much for watching the PetPeePee. Ask a question and I will answer on a video. Thank you for watching. If you decide to use baking soda on your Oriental rug to refresh it, because it's nothing on the rug, is no any pet accident, nothing. You just want to put a baking soda to dry, to just refresh, or I have no clue what is the reason you want to put baking soda if there is no odor on the rug. However, if you're having a dog or cat that use the Persian rug, the Turkish rug, and you decide to listen to one of the advice on Google that said, cover it, put it on it, a baking soda. Big mistake. The moisture from the pee-pee or the cleaning product that you used yesterday blend with the baking soda, and the color will attract to the baking soda because it's a dry powder, and the color will move. I saw many Oriental rug that stiff as a cardboard and the color move. The red maroon move to the beige and it become pinkish. For this reason, I ask my customer, don't put anything on Oriental rug. Watch the video on my channel, what is enzyme. It will give you some indication how to take care Oriental rug when you're having a pet accident. Remember, Oriental rug is like a sponge. Whatever you put on it, he went right away to the back of the rug, where is the foundation of the rug, where is the cotton and the wool tied together. Two of them, the cotton and the wool, become as absorbing material, and the bacteria will love to live over there and grow a family and become bigger and bigger and bigger and release more nasty odor to the air. For this reason, before you putting any cleaning product, should you consider calling PetPeePee and ask them? Welcome. Ask me. Call me. I'd be glad to answer question. You can text me or you can call me. Thank you very much. Meir Martin. I am the owner of the PetPeePee, and I love cleaning Oriental rug, and I love the art on the floor. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching the PetPeePee. Any question, please write me on the bottom, and I'll be glad to answer in a video. Thank you, and you have a good evening. And of course, happy Thanksgiving 2021. Every year after Thanksgiving, my customers, the repeat customer, they know me, they called me and they said, my dog have a diarrhea on the rug. My dog have a throw up on the Oriental rug. Of course, you give your dog dry food all year long. And then Thanksgiving, everybody enjoying the turkey and it tastes so good, and the dog sitting on the side and looking at all of us, and you look guilty, you look so sad, and you said, you know what, just a little piece to my dog. No. Be strong. If you don't want to have a yellow stain on your rug, don't give your dog any turkey. However, if it's like my dog that's eating a cooked meal every day, yes, you can give him a turkey. Why not? But if your dog didn't know what does it mean, a cooked food, and you will give him some piece of turkey, you should ask PetPeePee for the label to ship me the rug. Happy Thanksgiving 2021. My name is Meir Martin. Any question, you're welcome to call me or text me. You have a good day. Happy Thanksgiving and Happy New Year. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and see some of my artwork. MeirMartin.com